everyone, welcome to Izzi of Baslow. So at long last I do have one complete room to share with you. So this is our beautiful showroom now that is complete. We were hoping that the whole of the shop would be complete for me to take you on a whistle stop tour today, but sadly due to a major setback the front of the store will not be open for a couple of weeks. But please visit our social media and log into our videos and we will give you a definite date. But it looks absolutely fabulous. It is so nice to be now working back in a gorgeous environment because the last 5 months have been absolutely horrific, as you can imagine, for Izzy and for the girls. But what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and we are now going to be stronger than ever. So I'm going to take you on a whistle stop tour of the one room that we have ready. And to confirm, ladies, we are opening on Thursday the 4th, 5th and 6th of April, and we are now open, but sadly the front of the shop is not open. But Monday and Tuesdays going forward are our private appointment days, so please come and visit the store and you will be absolutely blown away because it looks amazing. Okay, so talking of amazing, I'm just going to pick a few bits out as we go around the store. So these are two gorgeous items that have just arrived in from Marc Cain. We've got the beautiful pink dress and jacket, and as we zoom in you can just see that it's got a little bit of a gold fleck in it. It's got the gorgeous pearl buttons down the front. These are sold as separates, but what an amazing outfit for a very special occasion. Okay, you'll have seen me on previous videos. I shared with you this gorgeous blouse. So now we have the fabulous dress that's arrived in. This blouse is available as is, and also in the beautiful blue colour, like the dress. This is absolutely gorgeous, fabulous length, and it just makes you feel of spring, and it's just wonderful. Okay, so we've got the date trainers above here, which you've seen on our previous videos. They are absolutely fabulous trainers in all different sizes. And now we're going on to a brand new brand. We've had lots of new brands, ladies, in the store, and this is called Castaner. So this is a brand which has a very famous ambassador, which is Kate Middleton. So you'll see that she wears lots of these shoes and they look absolutely stunning. So as I'm going further around the store, we've got the Marc Cain section here with all the neutral, beautiful items, and then the gorgeous Marc Cain collection here. But that, again, that's just absolutely fantastic, all sold as separates, but just makes you feel as though you want to come out and buy something because the weather's so gorgeous, all the daffodils are out, and it just makes it feel very spring-like. Just up above on these shelves here, we've got this fantastic little handbag. It is a 2-in-1 bag, so it's got the pewter clutch bag and the gold crossover bag, so that's a 2-in-1. Then we've got the shopper there, which can be used as a beach bag. It's a metallic gold, or you can just use that as a handbag. Okay, then round on to Marc Cain. There are some absolutely beautiful items within this collection. So there we've got the gorgeous pleated skirt and the matching top. We have all different items within this collection to mix and match, which I think I've shared that with you on a video before. As I said earlier, we've got lots of new brands in the store, so I'm just going to pop back to this brand here, and this is called Villa Gallo, and it's all about easy, vibrant colour dresses. So there's two here, but we have got numerous ones in, available in all different sizes, but how fabulous are they? They're just really easy dresses. This one here has been a really good success for us. It's got the togs there at the front to define the waist and the bust line, and it's got the thicker straps, but I think that is just fantastic as a summer dress. Okay, so I'm going to continue to take you around the store. So the next collection I'm going to share with you is Morello. So again, this is part of the Maxmara group. Absolutely beautiful, full of colours. The bold wool jacket there and the beautiful pale pink blazer. And again, this fabulous dress there, and there's also the matching blouse as well. Then we go on to Maxmara. Their knitwear is second to none, always fantastic. Again, available in all shapes, in all styles and all sizes. So please visit our website for the prices and the availability. Again, continuing on the Maxmara theme, the shirts that they do are fabulous. I adore this one. It's a cotton shirt. It's got the embossed flowers on there. Really fresh and really easy. Then this beautiful Maxmara blazer. And again, you can see how fab that is with jeans. It is a linen-based blazer. Ladies, I'm sorry if you can hear a little bit of banging. We've still got work going on in the front of the store, so I'm sorry if you can hear that over my voice. Okay, so there we have also the matching shirt. So this is a gorgeous one that Maxmara, it's a design they do every year. And you can see there, we do the cotton-based one and the linen-based one. Thicker stripes, but again, fab and so easy to wear. If you want a little bit of colour, these are fabulous as well, and these are the 3/4 trousers, the capri trousers by Maxmara. They are a cotton based, but they are a gorgeous royal blue colour, and you can imagine just popping it on with that shirt. That is just an absolutely beautiful outfit. Then I'm just going to take you on to Paul Smith. So Paul Smith, again, is a lovely brand that we have in the store. We've had some quite different items in Paul Smith. So this I think is just beautiful, a V-neck blouse that's got the lead sleeve, and not to forget the gorgeous sweatshirts that they do, and these are available in different colours, girls, as well. They are just absolutely beautiful. So this is just a small snippet, girls, of what we have to offer in our one and only room that's now refurbished. So just to clarify, we are reopening on the 4th, 5th and 6th of April. Not the grand reopening that we had planned, but that will come in the future, well, not too long the future. And we can't wait to welcome you all back. We've missed you all, and it will be so lovely to get back to a normal environment. So take care, girls. Don't forget our appointment system, our Instagram, our Facebook, and our 24-hour website. So take care. Can't wait to see you all. Lots of love, Sue, and all the girls at Izzi's. Bye-bye.